Hey guys! So I wanted to give you a quick update on how my herb garden is going. It's been 4 weeks today since I planted it, and I didn't do an update last week because nothing changed too much. The growth has kind of just slowed down but stayed steady. They're all still alive, just growing kind of slowly. I've been continuing with the light 18 hours a day as much as possible. Sometimes I mess that up a little bit, but and then watering whenever the soil looks dry. And I've learned that this soil, it's very obvious when it needs to be watered because it turns like a really light brown when it's dry. So I've just been keeping it moist and the light, and that's it. And they're all still growing, so I'm so excited. Here's the sage, the oregano, the dill, parsley, thyme, fennel, Thai basil, sweet basil, and we've also been growing cat grass for the cats because they like to eat my plants, so now they have cat grass. Cilantro and chives. So everything is going well. So far so good. So excited. So I might not do weekly updates now unless maybe something changes dramatically, but if it just goes along like this, unless there's something urgent, I might just post like, I don't know, every couple weeks or so. So anyway, thank you so much for watching and good luck with your indoor herb garden. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and tap the bell if you want to be notified whenever I post a new video. Thanks.